maalinsangang gabi, isang maitim na balak ang namulaklak sa utak ni Ampalaya. So one humid night, Ampalaya thought of an evil plan. Kailangan magkaroon din ako ng lasa, kulay at ganda. I must have taste, color, and beauty. Katulad ng ibang mga gulay, just like the other vegetables. Bulong ni Ampalaya sa sarili. He whispered to himself. Habang nananaginip ang mga gulay, so while the other vegetables dreamt in their sleep, Ampalaya carried out his plan. So what happened?
That Ampalaya, I should have good plan. If you have an evil plan, I should taste not pale. I should taste really good like the other one.
Mm-hmm.
And there's somebody hiding from me in his back.
Dahan-dahan gumapang siya papalapit sa mga balag ng mga walang kamalay-malay na biktima. Quietly he crawled closer to the trellis of his unsuspecting victims. Victims is the people that he's gonna hurt or harm.
He went close to their houses.
Yeah. Sinunggaban niya ang tamis ni kalabasa. He grabbed the sweetness of kalabasa. Kalabasa is your favorite. Squash. Isinilid niya sa isang bayong ang asim ni kamatis. He put away in a bayong the sourness of kamatis. What's kamatis?
Oh, I forgot.
Tomato. Pati na ang anghang ni luya. What's anghang?
Spicy.
Yeah. Even the spicy of luya, which is ginger. Nakita rin niya nakasampay sa bintana ang kaputian ni Labanos. So from the windows, he stole the fair complexion of Labanos. It's the white vegetable. Agad niya itong kinuha. Sinaklot din niya ang linang balat ni talong. He also took the purple color of talong or eggplant. At ang luntiang pisngi ni mustasa. Yeah, and the green cheeks of mustasa.
Oh,
So what happened?
that he was starting his evil plan. He saw ginger in the window.
Mm-hmm.
So he took the spiciness,
Mm-hmm.
and then he saw and then he's gonna take squash.
Mm-hmm.
And then he took it. And then there's somebody hiding from him there.
Ipinuslit din niya ang lutong ni singkamas. He got himself the crispiness of singkamas. Ang manipis na balat ni sibuyas and the thin skin of sibuyas. What's sibuyas? Onion. Ang malasutlang kutis ni kamatis. The smooth face of kamatis. What's kamatis? Tomato. And even the roughness of patola. And ang maging gaspang ni patola. What's patola? You know the green ulam we had yesterday? The long one? Ha 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 ha! Sa wakas, nasa akin na ang lahat ng lasa, kulay at ganda. Finally, all their taste, color, and beauty are mine. Sigurado kaiinggitan ako ng lahat ng gulay. I'm sure they will be jealous of all the vegetables, said
What happened?
Ampalaya to himself.
What happened?
So, what happened?
That he took onions. Is it his clothes?
Yeah.
He took onions' clothes and he took his crispiness.
Mm-hmm.
And then he was like, they're gonna get really jealous of me. And there's somebody hiding, watching. He's always watching.
I know.
Look at me. He's always watching. Look in the first page. He's literally watching.
I know.
Look, watching.
I know.
Wait, even the first one. Oh, he's not in the first one.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but
Kinabukasan, the
what's
next day.
this?
Oh, see. Umalingaw-ngaw ang balita. News of the great theft happened and it spread tungkol sa nanakawan na ganap. Nagtipon-tipon ang lahat ng gulay. All the vegetables gathered. Lumuwa ang mata ng lahat. They couldn't believe their eyes. Nang biglang dumating ang isang di inaasahang bisita. When an unexpected visitor appeared, a foreign vegetable. Iba't iba ang kulay ng balat niya. His skin was of different colors. At kaya pa niyang mag-iba-iba ng lasa and he could change the way he tasted. Kahanga-hangang gulay talaga. A very remarkable vegetable indeed. So what happened?
There is the show now, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's a show, and then everyone gather up, and then they're like they're shocked, and then they spread, and they were shocked like this. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
and then somebody's hiding. Hello.
Okay. All right. We'll continue the story again tomorrow. Let's see what happens next. Okay?